guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, this is a DIY Deva cut, and this is actually not a video I planned. This is kind of spur of the moment. I'm really tired of my heat damaged ends and I'm ready to get rid of them. I just can't take it anymore. I want to enjoy my wash and goes again, and I miss doing my wash and goes, and one of the things that's held me back is that my hair is getting longer, and so the straight pieces hang longer, and I hate having to take the time to curl it up. So what I did was I prepared my hair to go ahead and cut it, and I'm gonna do it, and I'm probably rambling because I'm really nervous, but you know what, it's just hair, it'll grow back. So there are certain steps to follow when you are getting a Deva cut, and so I researched and I watched other videos, and one of the things is you're supposed to start with, you know, freshly washed hair and style it in a wash and go. Don't put it up like in a bun or something. They ask you to come in with it already styled, and they cut it dry. So you don't cut your hair wet, you cut it dry. And then after you get done cutting, you go back through. Actually, if you watch a Deva cut video, they actually go in and restyle your hair. So they'll wash you and do everything and restyle it and then cut it again after it's dry. So I did co-wash and deep condition, and I styled my hair with the almond and avocado curling cream, and that's all I put on my hair. I didn't put gel or anything. And I actually let it air dry yesterday, and I pulled it up in a pineapple last night, which is probably something I shouldn't do, but I never wear my hair unstretched from the pineapple. I hate first day wash and go hair because my hair curls up so tight. So I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get into the cutting. And the funny thing about this was I wasn't even gonna do it on camera, but Tia Kirby actually posted a video on the Curls Grow and Slay Challenge Facebook page, and she was like, it was her Throwback Thursday video, and I was like, how crazy is this? I was literally just thinking I need to cut my hair and do like a DIY Deva cut. And even though I'm really just cutting my heat damaged ends, I'm calling it a DIY Deva cut because depending on how short it goes from where like the heat damaged ends are, it's going to determine how much I end up cutting around the rest of my head. So it's like a mini Deva cut, hopefully. So here goes nothing. And I'm so nervous. I really wish we had a stylist here, and you're supposed to cut at an angle, just in case you did not know. But I really wish we had a stylist here, because I wouldn't be doing this myself if we had a stylist close. And a bunch of my heat damage is actually here in the front. It's kind of nerve-wracking. And you're also not supposed to pull in your hair when you cut it. Oh my gosh. So like I said, first I'm really just going through and getting rid of the heat damaged ends, and then I'll figure out how to make it even. After that, oh gosh, this one's long, y'all. This is so scary. Please excuse my ugly faces. I cannot believe I'm doing this, but I'm so sick of the heat damaged ends. And of course, it'll give it like a little more style, a little flair. And I'm looking in the mirror right here to see what I'm cutting off. All right, to the other side. Oh gosh. Okay guys, I'm back. It's styled. It's a little wet, but I'm actually pretty pleased with how it came out. Like, I went through and cut some more in the back. These back here are just juicier curls. Like, as far as like the curl pattern's a little different than the front, and so I wasn't exactly sure that I wanted to like keep cutting those, but my hair is still a little wet in the front, but as you can see, there's no straight pieces anywhere bugging me, and I got the shape that I want because I kind of wanted, you know, layered look. And so I'm gonna keep, you know, working on it as I go, like if I see more straight pieces, because of course like this, I'm gonna have to go back and cut that one. And I didn't completely wet my hair either since I'm in a hurry, so I don't know if it's actually gonna curl up more once I actually wet it, but for the most part I'm pleased. So I do want to say, don't be scared to cut your own hair. You know what you want, do your research, and you know, it's good to kind of figure out what you like, and remember, it's just hair. It'll grow back. If you mess it up, pull it up in a pineapple, in a bun, and keep it going. It's just hair. But I'm pleased. I'm happy that my heat damage ends are gone. I don't know why I waited so long to get rid of them, because it wasn't really that scary. I think I am gonna go cut this real quick, but besides that, y'all, I'm so happy with my hair. Look, see, it's still really long and I need to get rid of that, but I'm so happy. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you are not new, thank you again for coming back and tuning into another video here on my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.